Pharmacists sell tablets containing magnesium hydroxide to combat indigestion. A student carried out an investigation to find the percentage by mass of magnesium hydroxide in the indigestion tablet. The student reacted the tablet with dilute hydrochloric acid. There's the equation. The student found that 32 centimeters cubed of 0.5 mole of HCl was needed to react with the MgOH2 in a 500 milligram tablet. And you've got the conversion there of grams to milligrams. Calculate the percentage by mass of magnesium hydroxide in the tablet. So a few things that can throw students here straight away. You've got an unusual mass, a unit for your mass. Don't worry about it. You've got the conversion, but you've got to remember that all moles are worked out on the basis of grams. So you'd have to make sure your mass is converted to grams to to calculate the final answer correctly. So you're not out by a factor of 1,000. Calculate the percentage by mass of the magnesium hydroxide. Again, an unfamiliar calculation there. It's similar to a previous one on this playlist, which is essentially like a percentage purity. You've got the mass of the tablet, only the actual magnesium hydroxide will react in this equation, so the difference in between the two can be calculated, and that's essentially what you're trying to do. So let's start with what we can do. We've got a volume and a concentration for the HCl, so I can calculate a number of moles for the HCl. I can use a ratio to give me my number of moles of hydroxide, and from the moles I can calculate a mass, and therefore work out the percentage by mass using the 500 milligrams there for the total mass of the tablet. So let's start off with our number of moles of HCl, which is C times V over 1,000, which is going to be 0.5 times by 32 over 1,000, which gives me 0.016 moles of HCl. Ratio is 2 to 1, so 2 moles of HCl reacts with 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide. So my moles of MgOH2 will be 0.016 divided by 2, which is 0.0008 moles of magnesium hydroxide. Okay, so what I've got to try and do now is figure out then what mass this would be, and then convert either that mass into milligrams or convert this into grams to make sure I get the correct percentage by mass. So by rearranging the equation, we know that mass is Mr. Moles. So the MR of magnesium hydroxide, 24.3 plus 2 16s plus 2 1s will give me 58.3. So 58.3 for the MR, that's an 8, multiplied by 0.008 gives me a mass then of 0.4664 grams. So that's the mass of the magnesium hydroxide present in the 500 milligram tablet. Okay, so what I can do now is do a quick conversion, because based on the fact that 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams, I can therefore say that my 500 milligram tablet is equal to 0.5 grams. Okay, that's based on 1 gram equaling 1,000 milligrams, so it's got to be half a gram, isn't it? So 1,000 milligrams would be a full gram. So I've got half a gram then. My percentage by mass is going to be the actual mass present of the magnesium hydroxide, 0.4664, divided by the total mass of the tablet, 0.5, times it by 100 because it's a percentage, giving my final answer then as 93.3%. Okay, straightforward. Just watching out for that conversion there, but all this section, there's nothing here that's different. There's nothing here that you've never done before. And likewise, this is a final step is something you'll see more often the more you practice.